My name is Michelle Espinosa, and today we'll be talking about the spinal cord. The spinal cord consists of 31 segments, each of which gives rise to a pair of spinal nerves. The spinal nerves are grouped according to the level of the vertebra with which they are associated. Within each group, the pairs of nerves are numbered in sequence from superior to inferior. Here are the several types of spinal nerves located in the spinal cord. The major functions of the spinal cord are: it is the center for spinal reflexes, and it is the conduit for impulses to and from the brain. A true reflex arc involves only a few neurons or cells of the nervous system, and the information goes only from your body to your spinal cord, not your brain. There are several reflex arc components. There is the sensory receptor, the sensory neuron, the integration center, the motor neuron, and the effector target. In a reflex, sensory information activates a receptor that sends information to the central nervous system via a sensory neuron. Some level of processing occurs in the integration center, and then the response is communicated to the effector target via the motor neurons. Reflex behaviors. Reflexes are automatic responses to changes inside or outside the body. They help maintain homeostasis by controlling many involuntary processes such as the heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, and digestion. A type of reflex is when a person touches something painful or damaging, such as stepping on a tag, as pictured here. Activated skin receptors then send impulses to the spinal cord along the axons of sensory neurons. There, the sensory neurons synapse with interneurons, which in turn synapse with motor neurons. In this case, in the picture, the motor neurons activate fibers in the flexor muscles of the thigh, which contract in response, which happens to pull the foot away from the painful stimulus, which is the tack right here in this picture. Did you know, statistically, people with dark eyes, black and darker brown, have a faster motor skills and reflexes?